The Robert Louis Stevenson Home and Botanical Reserve above Apia is a hiking adventure and an educational experience in literature, history, and environmental ethnobotany. Meticulously restored, the great writer's home was both a writer's refuge and a national independence hotspot.
So my mother is also a she has booked the tickets to come with.
The trail leading to the grave is old-growth, virgin rainforest. Stevenson's immortal epitaph is etched in the tomb. Here he lies, where he longed to be. Home is the sailor, home from the sea, and the hunter, home from the hill. I chose the long route down, and glad that I did. The mountain's rainy side is lush with epiphytic and triple canopy growth. In the Botanical Reserve, I learned how ancient Samoan people cultivated rainforest resources for their daily needs. Interpretive signage next to diverse rainforest trees left me in awe about the sustaining capacity of the natural environment around me.